Welcome to another episode of 3-Minute Videos with Nathanael. Today, we are going to cover the digestive system. It is a very long topic, so we'll split it up into two parts. Part 1, the video you are watching now, will contain descriptions of the parts of the digestion system and their main functions. Part 2 will mainly cover enzymes and where they are secreted. Okay, so let's start at the mouth. Mechanical digestion and chemical digestion occurs at the mouth. The teeth chew up the food and grind up the food. Incisors and canines cut up, and premolars and molars grind. The tongue shapes the food mass into a bolus. While this is happening, the salivary glands at the two sides of the mouth secrete saliva, which contains amylase, which will be discussed in part 2. Now the bolus goes inside the esophagus. So inside the esophagus, there are longitudinal and circular muscles. Peristalsis is the periodic movement of the longitudinal and circular muscles. This moves the bolus down the esophagus into the stomach, which is a distensible muscular bag with many glands secreting hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills off any bacteria in the bolus. The pepsin will be discussed in part 2. Now the bolus turns into some mushy little material called chyme. So this chyme passes through the duodenum and jejunum and into the ileum, which is collectively known as the small intestine. A lot of chemical digestion and absorption occurs here. So the small intestine absorbs some water, amino acids, and carbohydrates. Fats are also absorbed but into the lymphatic system as opposed to the circulatory one. In the large intestine, most of the water is absorbed. Now this food material becomes waste and turns into what we call feces. It passes into the rectum and into the anus, and that's how you pass out. So there we have it, the main functions of the digestive system. Bye!